8.6 is exercises related to word problems. These word problems are also very simple. First question, I would like to explain you that how you are going to solve, and question number 2 and 3 will be your homework. First question is, a swimming tank is 20 meter long. It means length is given. 15-meter broad, breadth is given, and 20-meter deep, height is given. What is the volume of the tank? First of all, we will write all the given part. Language, we will frame the sentences from the question. So, length of the tank is 20 meter, breadth of the tank, B-R-E-A. Breadth of the tank is 15 meter, height of the tank is 2 meter. So volume of the tank will be length into breadth into height. So multiply all these numbers. So you will get the answer as 600 cubic meter. So this is the answer. So in this way we have to find out the answer. So you will write the volume of the tank is in the statement. The volume of the tank is 600 cubic meter. So in this way we have to solve word problems. Question number 2 and 3 is your homework. Let's start question number 6. Question number 6 is, find the volume of earth dug out from a cubical pit whose edge is 2.4 meter. It means we are digging the earth to make a vacant cube. हम अर्थ को खोद रहे हैं और उसमें से मिट्टी निकाल रहे हैं ताकि हम एक गड्ढा बना सकें. The shape of that pit is cubical. It means we are talking about cube. So here we will apply the formula of cube. So only one side is given. It means rest of the sides are also equal. So we will simply apply the formula of cube. See students, the question itself is giving you the hints that which kind of formula you have to apply. Question number 6. So here you can start by writing side is equals to 2.4 meter. So now you will write, we have to find out the volume of cubical pit. So we will write volume of cubical pit is side into side into side. So what is this side? 2.4 multiplied by 2.4 multiplied by 2.4. Multiply all these numbers and you will get the answer in cubic meter. So this answer you will find by your own. So this was the exercise 8.6. You have to do all the questions in your notebook. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 6. Last exercise is exercise 8.7. Exercise 8.7 is also very simple. So let's start exercise 8.7 now.